Up, y'all? It's Clarence Presley right back at y'all again, representing that whole different level of investing. We starting to brand this thing, y'all. We about to really do it differently, and trying to help people. That's what makes us different. We want to share what we're learning while we're learning, all the tips that we're picking up on, whether it be crypto, it be stocks, it be real estate. Today, what I want to share with y'all very quickly is just a little brief video about one of the hedge funds that I'm using to grow my crypto, specifically my Ethereum. I have a little bit of Bitcoin in this account. I have some in another account that I'll do another video on at a different date. But right now, I just want to show a quick video to show you guys what I've been using. So let me share my screen. All right, so this is the platform that I've been using. It's called Burex. It is a company based out of Australia. They have a huge client base in Europe, Australia, parts of Africa, as well as Asia. Currently, Canada as well, and Mexico. Currently, they are not doing any trades in the US. However, if you live in the US, you can access them through having a VPN. And then you would just need to pick another country and enter into their space to pull up their website. And that is Burex. I'm going to actually give you a link. It's going to help me. Matter of fact, right here, you can see my link. I'm going to open it up, see if I can get it open for you. Matter of fact, I'll do that at the end just to make sure that you have it, have all the information that you need. I'll post it in our chat so that you can see it and have that available for you. But what I want to do right now is just kind of talk to you a little bit about Burex. Burex is a company that focuses on day trading Monday through Friday through AI technology. They have bots, and basically the bots are trading on various platforms. I'm going to show you the different investments that they actually make and walk you through it. So they have 4 different categories of investment called swaps that you can put your money into an account. You will create a Burex account. You will deposit your crypto, or you can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, or US dollars. It's your choice. And they offer you different return rates based on the contract, the smart contract that you choose to utilize. So I will start here. I'm going to show you guys real quick the total return swaps. Let's see if we can get this open. I'm not sure why it's not. There we go. Here we go. So let's look at total return swaps really quickly. My computer was freezing up a little bit, you guys, but back to it. So total return swaps, they give you an opportunity. The minimum you can invest is $20, which isn't bad. So if you just want to test it to see if it works, get your feet wet a little bit, put your toe in the water, just because maybe you have some skepticism, because I can tell you firsthand, I know there's a ton of scam companies out here. I'm a risk taker. I have invested thousands in various platforms, and some of those platforms were horrible. They did not work. They were scams. I've done my due diligence also with people that I trust who've been involved. And I've been dealing with this company now since the end of November, literally like the last week of November, early December. Primarily early December is when I really got started. I just found it at the end of November, but early December is when I got involved in this company. And I actually started, and I'll show you later, incrementally, and begin to allow my money to grow, and wanted to see how it works. So on the total return swaps, you guys, if you look here, minimum you can put in $20. Maximum in this account, $5, you'll earn 1.4% per day. All right. And this is a 15-day, smart contract. So basically you're going to make a deposit. Let's just say if you wanted to, just to keep it simple, invest $100, right? At $100, you're going to earn 1.4% a day, And over 15 days, that will be $21. You'll have a total 21% return. That's what you will earn in 15 days. Doesn't sound like much, but it's outperforming your bank account, right? If you did $1,000, then again, you know, as we begin, oh, sorry, you can't do that in this one. We have to go to the next one up. So if you went down for $1,000, it's going to be a 1.6%, right? So you would do $1,000, and that's 1.6. You're earning $16 a day. In 25 days, is this smart contract, you're going to earn $400 in 25 days on your money. And it continues to go up, right? And you can do it with dollars. You can do it with Bitcoin. You can utilize Ethereum for these return swaps. And now I'm going to show you currency swaps. Currency swaps, you're going to earn a little bit more. You're going to earn 3%, right? But it's typically going to start you at a 90-day, a 3-month contract. This one starts at $10,000. They're going to cost you a little bit more to invest in these. But just to give you an idea, general idea, if you were to put $10,000 in this account, you're going to earn $300 a day, right? So over your 90-day period, your profit is going to be $27,000, right? So that's how this works. And I'll show you what they're doing in just a moment. Then you have interest rate swaps. In this one, you can actually begin at $1,000 or 0.1 Bitcoin or 3 Ethereum. And this is a 45-day contract, y'all. So if you wanted to do this with $1,000 and earn 1.9%, you're going to earn $19 a day. Over 45 days, you're going to earn $855. And that's not bad, you know, as they're investing your money. And also, what I love about when you use Bitcoin or Ethereum, right? Let's just say you chose to do 1 Bitcoin, right? If you did 1 Bitcoin, put 1 Bitcoin in here, you're going to earn 1.9%, so 0.19 Bitcoin a day. When you're done, you're going to have 1.855, almost 2 Bitcoin, 2 complete Bitcoins, right? And what I love about the Bitcoin with the crypto, you guys, that's awesome, unlike the dollars, is that as the value of Bitcoin or Ethereum goes up, they're not giving you a percentage of the value, they're giving you a percentage of the coin. So let's just say you ended up, if you bought in and your Bitcoin was $10,000, it was worth 10,000, right? And Bitcoin grew over 45 days to 20,000. So let's just say this was, you're almost at 2 Bitcoin, instead of just having, you know, this 855, right? Instead of you having, you know, 18,500, you're going to actually double your money, because 1 Bitcoin now is worth 20,000 and 2 is going to be worth somewhere like 38,000. I'm sorry, or 18,000. So you will have a total of 38,500 off of this one, because the value grows. It's the same way with Ethereum. So if you did this with Ethereum, you started off with Ethereum, you had 1 Ethereum that you put in, right? Today it's worth like $1,400. When I bought in, it was like 500. So imagine what my Ethereum's worth now. So 1 Ethereum in here, if you was to open this account, I'm sorry, we got to start with 3 on this account, forgive me. So you start off with 3 Ethereum, you're going to earn 0.57 Ethereum a day. In 45 days, you will have an additional 2.565 Ethereum, right? Almost an addition, you almost doubled in 45 days. Or I'm sorry, this is 45 days. You almost doubled in 45 days to where you'll have almost 6 Ethereum. So think about that. If Ethereum was $1,000 a day and it grew to $2,000 Ethereum in 45 days, and let's just say you had 6 Ethereum, you just jumped up to $12,000 worth of Ethereum. You do the math, right? So this is what we're dealing with. And then finally, what I've been doing, I've been basically doing the longer contract, it's a slower one. And by the way, you guys, on total return swaps, currency swaps, interest rate swaps, you can take out your profits daily on these. On commodities, you can't. It's a longer term contract, it's a 200-day contract. But on these three, total return swap, currency swap, interest rate swaps, you can actually pull your profit out daily, but your initial investment is locked in until the end of the contract. Commodities, your excuse me, your initial investment and your profit is locked in. So for instance, I'm going to take you to Ethereum. So on this one, you guys, you can start off with only a half, 0.05, right? That's not even a half. That's what, like a, I don't know, a fifth, you know, I'm not sure. My math is off today, but you can start off with 0.05 Ethereum. Actually, that's what I did when I first started, because I said, I don't know about this. Let me try it. So I put in 0.05 and it began to work, you know, right off the bat. And maybe I put in 0.5. I'm not sure, but I put it in. I'll show you guys in a moment what I did. But let's just say on this contract, you're going to do, let's say you want to start off with 2 Ethereum, right? You start off with 2 Ethereum. You're going to have 4.2% daily. Over the term of the contract, you will earn 840%, right? So you're going to earn 0.84 Ethereum a day. At the end of the 200-day contract, you're going to have 16.8 Ethereum. Almost 17 Ethereum is what you're going to come out with, and whatever the value of that Ethereum is on that day. And I'll show you my own deposit. Let me see. Here's my deposits that I did. And I have a different account too, but this is one of the accounts that I set up. So you can see I put in at different dates. At the end of November, I put in 0.51. Off of that, I've earned more than what I put in. I've earned 0.70686. Then on December 8th, I put in another half of Ethereum just to test it out because I got other things going. I earned 0.504 Ethereum. And on the commodity swap, I put in 1 Ethereum, right, on the 9th of December. And I've already earned almost a complete full circle, 0.966. So I've almost earned an entire Ethereum off of it. I put in a little bit of Bitcoin just to play around with it, 0.1348874. And I've earned 0.00396571. And that was just since January 8th. So you see that it's earning every single day. I'll show you what it looks like when you're dealing with it. This is how they trade. Let me get off of this if I can get this thing to clear. Let me move this bar. All right, there we go. Get this out the way. So this is their daily trade. So I'm going to show you what they look like for trading every day. So trading today, this is what they look like. And I'm going to show you the trades that they made today. So here are the trades that they made today. You know, starting off this morning, they took a loss. The loss was $97. Then they had another small loss for $149. But then you're going to start seeing they started wins, a bunch of wins. Actually, it's changing as we speak. So I must be starting at the end of the day. But 577.50 was a win. 911 was a win. The wins always outnumber the losses. 612, 1041, 1134. And you can see all of these wins throughout the day versus the losses of what they're bringing in every day. You can go through this and you can actually download the PDF and see the trades that's been made by the bots. And their bots have like a 74% success rate, which means 74% of the time you're going to have a profit when trading, you know, with the Burex bots. So this is something for you to consider. The other thing about this is I call it a referral program. I'm not really into doing a lot of the MLM. You know, I'm not trying to recruit a bunch of people. However, if you ate at your favorite restaurant and you told other people they should go there because the food is bomb, and they go to that restaurant and they eat, are they going to send you a check? Most of the time they're not, you know, unless you got a relationship with the owner. In this case, they're going to actually give you a percentage. And I'm not really into that side, but for those of you who like that, I can show you that on another video. They have a really successful referral program that goes down 15 levels deep. And it's pretty exciting if that's what you're into. Matter of fact, a lot of the guys that I know that are in it, they're really big on the MLM side as well as investment. What I was looking for was something that if I didn't want to invite anyone, I was still going to make my money. And that's what it's doing for me. I've invited a couple of people, friends and family who are getting in, and they're testing it out as well. And because of me referring it to them, I received a commission off of that as well. And they're going to receive a commission off of people that they refer it to. So I just wanted to share this with you guys today. Hopefully it makes sense. Let me put this in the chat box. See if I got it here. This is my link. If you want to copy this and write it down, I will also post this in my video. It'll be at the link in the bottom. So make sure that you go to the link at the bottom and subscribe to what we have going on down there. Hit the subscribe button, y'all, also, so that you can be a part of what we're doing here. I'm telling you, this works. This has been working for me. Like I said, I've had other things that I've done. I've tried. I'm a part of a couple of other things that are moving. You know, I appreciate the Daisies and I appreciate Velocity that's coming out. They're great companies, but I'm not into the multi-level marketing piece. This company is going to invest 100% of what I put into it. So I'm not splitting, like they're not taking 50% and investing the other half, you know, so they can use 50% to do crowdfunding and pay, you know, commissions. 100% of my investment is being invested every day. And I love that about this company. And I can see the results right away. So if you're interested, you know, again, hit the like button, you know, hit subscribe, definitely go down and hit the link, you know, and send me a message and I will gladly walk you through it to help you get this set up. God bless.